Good morning, everyone. I, Shubham Singh, and my group is here to present our view on CMTP marketing case of OYO. Let me first give you an introduction of OYO. OYO stands for On Your Own. It's an hospitality industry which targets a particular segment of consumers for business. It's an, it has shown growth in short period of time, which is now operating its business in large scale in India. It was started in year 2013 and its headquarters established in Gurugram, Haryana. The hike in overall economy and sectors like tourism, IT, and real estate helped very much OYO to be a good startup. Now, my friend Abhishek will brief you more on OYO.
Good morning to all. I am Abhishek. The concept of OYO is coming from Oravel. Ritesh Agrawal, CEO of OYO, first launched Oravel by inspired by Airbnb in 2012. Airbnb is a American marketplace which provides uh, vacation rental homes after he got selected Thrive Fellowship in 2013. It is the network of investors, founders, which provides support and fund for the research and found and develop a new plan to platform to beginners. It helps him to research what Indian hospitality industry needs, and in his research, he found that Indian hospitality industry needs a small rooms, bed and breakfast rooms, small guest houses, and cheap budget. Next, there is a timeline journey of OYO. In 2012, Ritesh Agrawal started a concept of Oracle, and 2013 he got selected in fellowship, which provides funding in three stages: A, B, and C. In, in 2016, the Oyo hotel change crosses 1 million check-in mark, and in the year of 2016 and 17, Oyo expand their business to worldwide. Uh, Now my colleague Ejo will brief you about customer relationship vision. Sorry, now my friend Shubham will you brief about that vision.
Thank you, Abhishek. Now, as Abhishek has told you about OYO, let me now tell you what were the factors and vision that Mr. Ritesh Agarwal saw and the opportunities. The first problem in India was that there was no organized segment of hotel and budget segment of consumers. And whenever someone thought of going for vacation, they prefer their relative places to stay. We too can relate this. जैसे हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ घूमने जाते हैं तो अपन आर पेरेंट्स से कि वहां चलते हैं अपने रिलेटिव्स भी हैं वहां पे स्टे कर लेंगे थोड़ी बचत भी हो जाएगी. So Mr. Agarwal saw this opportunity and thought of first organizing a group of hotels, undertake them in the name of OYO, and then standardize the rooms and hotel for budget travelers. All this were all this was done with keeping of pricing rooms in the mind, and then and it does not exceeds the budget. The hotel owners were also convinced because despite of many vacant rooms, the customers were not booking the room. So OYO with the help of technology created a link between consumers and the hotels, and the demand was fulfilled with the supply. OYO also always maintained a hygiene and personalized touch rooms in their hotels. And now I forward the slide to Muskan.
Thank you, Shubham. So I'll Good morning, everyone. So I'll explain the operational model of OYO. Please change the slide. OYO started its operation as a hotel aggregator and used aggregator business model to run its business. So the main aim of hotel aggregator is to provide the listing of hotels to the customer and take a commission as revenue. But the OYO hotels were different as they focused on co-branding. According to the first point, OYO first acquired a part of inventory in budget hotels and then organized those hotel rooms under the brand name OYO Rooms. So, Mr. Agrawal's intent was clear: established hotels that were already doing a good job of providing high quality service and have a high demand in market will not be the Oyo's prime target. So, Mr. Agrawal contacted those hotels who were just property owners and who has the hotel business as their extra income source. These hotels were generally run by a hired manager, so they had a low occupancy rate. So the hotel owners were happy to partnership with the OYO. According to second point, standardizing these hotel rooms according to the basic needs of consumer, also to make the booking experience hassle-free, OYO developed an app for hoteliers and customers. So during the 2 month stay in property, in his target segment, Mr. Ritesh Agrawal uh, looked at what are the common failures and how OYO could improve them. He then noticed that small problems that did not require big investment can make a big difference. This lead to OYO's five promise across every room branded: spotless linen, clean washroom, a television room with an air conditioner, free breakfast, and free Wi-Fi. Now, according to the second part of the second point, also to make the booking experience hassle-free, OYO developed an app for hoteliers and customers. According to Mr. Ritesh Agrawal, the technology is the heart of running such a large operation. So he developed the app for the customers, hoteliers, staff, and inventory management. So they can make a link through a online digital. According to third point, OYO ensured that its hotel partners maintain room quality through a strict auditing process. Our auditing process was strictly maintained by Krypton app. They gathered the data and sent back that to the analytics team. Analytics team originally had a color code system. They color coded OYO standardized room into green, the non OYO standardized room into yellow, and the never stay room in black. Then, according to the last point, rank the hotel rooms according to the data of customer feedback. Ranking of hotel rooms were based on the auditor's feedback and the feedback given by the customers. They usually had a 3C score. The 3C score was constant availability of the room, compatibility of the room, and the customer reviews. According to this, the rooms of the hotels were ranked. Now I'll forward this presentation to Tushita. Thank you.
Thank you. OU used under operation methods. OU used different models. These were firstly pricing. OU tried out different payment schemes for hotel owners and used a combination of market forces. At first, they used the minimum guarantee payment model. However, in 2016, they used dynamic pricing model. Dynamic pricing is a partially technology-based pricing system under which prices are altered to different customers depending upon their willingness to pay. It gives OYO an advantage in their profit maximization, and in the long run, it helped in clearing out the slow-moving inventory. By the 2016, 15% of revenue OYO earned through booking, net discounts, and various other online procedures. Distribution process. OYO used directly four distribution process chain. First, directly to customers, to corporate, OYO brand channels, and online traveling agents. OYO developed a mobile app which is called as OYO Customer App in collaboration with the Hard Rock Cafe, and 60% of OYO sales come through this app. OYO also designed Mitra app for agents for booking their rooms online and a corporate app for organization. Next slide. Scaling up. In the further expansion of OYO business from one property in Gurugram to 15 properties across India, OYO remained and confirmed with its four core promises that helped in expansion of business. First was the availability of room to its customers. Second, predictability of the services. That same services can be enjoyed by customer at any part of the country. Third, ease of use. The rooms that OYO is provided to its customers were easy to use with all the basic amenities and Wi-Fi connected to the room. Affordability by the customer is the basic concept by which Oyo stands out among the another rivalries of the market. Now I will hand over the slide to Vishnu.
Good morning, everyone. Structure. We will speak about the structure.
Thank you, Tushita. Oyo has their one third of employees below the age of 25, so we can say that the organization structure of Oyo is fully youth centered. By 2018, Oyo has a 3,093 member organization, includes 200 management and technology professionals. For consumer support, Oyo also deals with the local agents and business companies like Airtel Bharti. The culture and policies also decided according to the feedback of employees. So the culture and Oyo is also employee centered. Now my colleague Ajo will tell about that. Will tell about customer support.
Good morning to all. I'm going to speak about how Oyo developed its customer base and its customer relations and retained all its customers. Standardization was crucial for Oyo's promises to develop a hassle-free booking for its customers and to provide predictability and reliability in their stays. What makes Oyo's business model unique and different from its competitors is the standardized hospitality services that it provides. It focuses more on experience, user experience, rather than pricing and room availability. By providing 24/7 services to its customers, it ensures great reliability. It provides trained staff who can look over the bookings and queries of the customers. By recognizing and rewarding frequent customers, it ensures retaining of the customers. In 2017, 45% of the Oyo rooms booked, in which 45% was retained. 50,000 rooms were booked, and in which 45% of which were retained. Oyo focuses on hospitality services and standardize all the underdeveloped hotel to provide better services. It gives priority to its users. Next. Recognizing, as I mentioned earlier, it recognizes and rewards frequent customers, promises to provide the same facilities and amenities that's shown on mobile application or websites, promise to provide high quality experience and pocket friendly prices. By using the technological barometers, it ensures a hassle-free communication between the hotelers, the staff, and the customers. It manages all the inventories of the hotels by using technological barometers. It provides platform for its hotelers like Oyo Bazaar, which ensures most commonly used products daily for the daily routine, like bed linen, electrical fixtures, furnitures, and lightings to the hotelers to provide the guest a great experience. Next. increases its efficiency of the staff by providing proper training, providing basic amenities to its staff, and looking after their welfare. And the applications which it manages for the hotel staff service, for the hotel's owner, and for the inventory manager. This way, Oyo is successful in developing a better customer base and also was successful in retaining its customers. Now I'm forwarding this to Vishwajit, who will discuss the case further.
Good morning, everyone. I will now speak about Oyo's partners and members. Firstly, Oyo has many partnerships with many companies. There are some government agencies for training purposes. Other than that, there are some for inventory purpose. Big Bazaar and Groofers are collaborated with Oyo. Other than that, these market also offering some various discounts for inventory purchase. Ola, it is a taxi service. It becomes more easy for customers to reach their destinations. Google Maps through GPS services. By navigating their location, it become easy for customers to reach their locations. There are also some technology partners for maintaining the apps. Other than that, for cancellation of booking, confirmation of booking, and for feedback, this technology app partners are helping. Oyo is also merged with Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel provides a television sets and free Wi-Fi for all Oyo rooms. Now I'm going to hand over Sakshi.
Good morning, everyone. Uh, uh, I'll explain you about evolution and growth. Despite Oyo's efforts to standardize it and maintain quality, its customers often faced issues. Hoteliers often checked customers into non-Oyo rooms. This led to customers' criticism about quality of the stay experience on social media and travel aggregator sites. Due to this, Oyo began to migrate all its properties to a new 2.0 model. Next slide. 2.0 model of Oyo. Oyo took over management and operation of hotels. Under this model, Oyo not only took over the work of hoteliers but also took over the hotel management. And the next is that Oyo deployed all its staff. Oyo deployed all its 4 to 6 of its own man as manager and front staff. So because Oyo was not the hoteliers were not good enough, so Oyo deployed its own members. The third is that Oyo brought world class benchmarks to the table. Now Oyo brought all the facilities on a particular hotel in a particular area. Now brands of Oyo. Now after realizing that these services were not sufficient for having a world class benchmark, so Oyo brought into market its new brands that were first was Oyo rooms. Oyo rooms were for bringing world class services on a particular hotel. And the second was Oyo flagship. It was for those customers who were with Oyo since the very beginning. they were we can say that they were regular customers of Oyo, so they got Oyo flagship rooms. And the third brand of Oyo was Oyo Townhouse. Oyo Townhouse for was for those people who were millionaires, or we can say that who were rich. And in Oyo Townhouse, it was like 25% cafe, 25% it was like a home, and 25% it was like a store. So people can get all the facilities in a Oyo Townhouse. We can say that it was just like a home away from home. Oyo Asset Management. Now Ritesh Agrawal knew that its company got a lot of profit, but he wanted to accelerate its growth. So he launched OAM. OAM was an umbrella brand for various sources. It offered property owners to transform underutilized properties into hotels and fully furnished hotels. So in this way, property owners were also got benefited from OAM, that was a brand of Oyo. Now, under the OAM umbrella brand, Oyo also launched Oyo Homes. Oyo Homes were just like a home. We can say that as we just like in Goa, Oyo. Oyo brought into market its own home, so that when people can visit that place for a holiday destination, they can go to those homes and enjoy its services. So they can be free. They can have kitchen and everything that's already available in every home, that is present in every home. So this segment was a holiday. This was for holiday. This was these homes were for holiday. And now Ritesh Agarwal hope to increase the number of Oyo rooms in India to a very large extent. So we hope the services get more improved with time. So now I hand over this slide to Tushita.
Recommendations for further expansion of business and smooth running of a business, following recommendations must be followed by Oyo. First, Oyo rooms should think upon targeting elite customers in the market by providing them with premium budget hotels. Second, Oyo must work on building more customer loyalty in the market. Third, a new and catchy tagline which gives customer a renovate message. For example, like home Oyo when not at home. Fourth, more campaign on social sites should be done by Oyo to attract more customers in the long run. Thank you so much.